Doesn't seem that long ago.
Raymond, do you put wood in the fire? Do you use wood? If you use wood, turn the flashlight on. Do you use wood for heat? Would you turn the flashlight on? Raymond, do you use coal? If you use coal, would you turn the flashlight on?
There you go.
There you go.
I do believe.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much. I wasn't sure what you used.
That was my next question. The coal, yep.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You probably kept it burning nice and warm for everybody here. Thank you for doing your job well. He's nice and
Look.
bright now.
Look at this. Can you see this?
Yeah, what is that?
I don't know,
Nice and bright.
because I can't see it over here. It's something.
Could you please turn the flashlight off so we can ask you another
Yeah, it's
question?
See it
It is moving.
Yeah.
Could you turn the
Any
flashlight off?
chance is it like white? Like
Yes, it's like a
cloudy?
little dot.
Yes, I have it also.
Okay, we'll have
Yes.
to check it after.
Raymond, you're doing a good job.
You
We
are
really
doing
appreciate it.
awesome.
Could you please turn the flashlight off? Thank you.
Now, Raymond, I have to ask you an important question. I'm making pictures of this, and there is something floating around that's white, small dot in the picture. Is that you, Raymond? Are you floating around in my picture? If you are, would you turn the flashlight on?
I swear something just touched my head.
Could be.
Raymond, can you turn the flashlight back on, please? If that's you in our video, can you turn the flashlight on to tell us it is?
Oh, it is.
And there he is.
There he is
Yeah.
to the left.
You see
Oh,
him?
that's
I do.
great.
He's on mine.
Do you
Yes.
see more than an orb, or do you see?
I'm
him?
seeing more than a light now. I'm
Okay.
seeing
Yes, it's bright.
something
He's
different.
very bright.
Yeah,
Thank you, Raymond.
Beautiful.
you can use some of our energy
Hey, can you
to
see that?
use yours.
It's almost like
You're giving me
a
chills.
barbell shape with lights.
Raymond.
Raymond, that is great.
Awesome.
It's so
Awesome,
nice to
awesome.
see you.
Could you please turn the flashlight back off?